5 minus 2 times the quantity 5 minus 2. Look at that pattern. Both sides have 5 minus 2. Your brain wants to use that symmetry, and that's exactly where you'll fail. Most people see this and think, okay, 5 minus 2 is 3, so I've got 5 minus 2 times 3. Then they go left to right. 5 minus 2 is 3, and 3 times 3 is 9. Easy, right? Completely wrong. You just ignored the order of operations. Multiplication doesn't wait for subtraction to finish. It goes first, always. Let me show you the correct method. 5 minus 2 inside the parentheses equals 3. Now 2 times 3 equals 6. Only now do we subtract. 5 minus 6 equals -1. The answer is -1, not 9. You were so far off you didn't even get the sign right. This problem tricks you with that visual symmetry, but math doesn't care about patterns. It cares about rules. If this humbled you, hit that like and subscribe for more brutal reality checks.